Good morning. Welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Tuesday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow trend has reversed courses and is now in a downtrend. Today's reading falling 23% versus 29% the previous day. Dow momentum falling 16% versus 19%. Dow volatility rising 4.34% versus 2.32%. 50-day net change falling. Today's reading is negative 14.15 versus negative 10.24. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory decreased to a negative 1% versus positive 1% the previous day. Institutional money flow falling 19% versus 29%. Institutional demand rising 29% versus 24.35%. Institutional inventory falling 24.51% versus 29.32%. Institutional accumulation distribution trend fell to a negative 29% versus negative 23% the previous day. Tuesday's highlights, as I view them, are as follows. As I mentioned, the Dow changed directions to down from up, and I posted that Monday's Trading Ideas blog. Australia rate cut, oil up, Goldman Sachs and the Fed are today's market movers. Short selling ban on 800 financial stocks expires at 12 o'clock tomorrow night. The DIA moving average 8-day versus 21-day, 106.45 versus 109.52 respectively, is a negative 307 historic high versus negative 262 the previous day. Sell on Rosh Hashanah, September 29th, buy on Yom Kippur. So far, so right. Dow outlook. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. Today's Dow outlook is bearish, falling 25% versus 26% the previous day. Stock market outlook is bearish, falling 28.9% versus 29% the previous day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has a probability of closing up Tuesday of 67%, whereas Diamond's DIA, Dow 30 Exchange Traded Fund, has a probability of closing up Tuesday of 77%. Now, Monday's results of our $1 million account that began December of 2007 declined in value yesterday. Beginning balance of $1 million now has account value of $918,258, a change on the day, negative $140,209. I'm Doug Gale, not always right, just very seldom wrong. Please visit me daily, MktMetrics.com, and review these highlights I'm mentioning today on our blog. The evening post, the Trading Ideas, morning post, stock market forecast. You may even want to sign up for a 14-day free trial. It's free. Check it out, center page, website. You can sign up right there. Well, it's about 9:30. Time to get trading. You take care. Good luck and good trading today.